ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ಮಹಾಭಾರತಮು 877th ಡೇ. ಓಂ ಅಸ್ಮದ್ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ಮಹಾಭಾರತಮು 3rd ಪರ್ವಂ, ವನಪರ್ವಂ ಆರ್ ಅರಣ್ಯ ಪರ್ವಂ, 60th chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this: O Raja, Brihadasva Maharshi narrating the story of Nala Damayanti to Dharmaraju and saying like this: O Dharmaja, Nala Maharaju, Pushkara, both are playing Judam, gambling. In that, Nala Maharaju lost everything. Though Damayanti came to know about that, she is not expressing her grief, her fear, but now started thinking about what to do. Immediately, Damayanti called on her friend Brihatsena and saying to her, O Brihatsena, now go to ministers, tell them that what is left with Nala Maharaju after losing so much wealth, now whatever is left, ask them to come and tell Nala Maharaju. Then immediately Brihatsena went and called on ministers. Ministers came. Damayanti told Nala Maharaju that ministers are waiting for you, but Nala Maharaju did not listen to Damayanti's words at all. He is completely immersed in playing Judam, gambling, for which Damayanti felt ashamed that he is not listening to her words. And immediately again she sent her friend Brihatsena to call on Radhasaradhi, the driver of the chariot. His name is Varshneya. Then immediately Varshneya came, and Damayanti saying to Varshneya like this: O Varshneya, janishe tvam yadha raja samyak vrittaha sadatvayi tasyatvam vishamasthasya sahayyam kartumarhasi. O Varshneya, when Maharaju was in right good condition, how he treated you, you know very well. Now the same Maharaju in difficult situation. Now it is right time for you to respond to him and take care of him. You are only the one who can take care of him. Somehow in this gambling, Pushkara is winning, Nala Maharaju is losing. And Nala Maharaju not listening to his friends' words and his relatives' words, even my words. So he is totally captivated by that gambling. I do not see any mistake with Maharaju, but that is the situation. O Saradhi, Saranam Tvam Prapannasmi Saradhe Kurumadvachaha. Now my mind is not stable. I am surrendering to you. Now you are only the one who can help. Do whatever now I am saying. Like that, Damayanti giving instructions to Radhasaradhi Varshneya. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.